COLMI C81 AMOLED Smartwatch. The COLMI C81 Smartwatch has a stylish and durable design, using high-quality military-grade zinc alloy materials. This lightweight yet robust material enhances the overall aesthetics of the watch, making it the perfect combination of style and durability. Two-button design, the bottom button can be customized to meet the various functional needs of users. AMOLED Screen. The AMOLED Screen provides a clear and vibrant display, making it easy to read and use the smartwatch. IP68 Waterproof. With an IP68 Waterproof rating, this smartwatch can withstand splashes of water and brief immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. 100 sports modes. The smartwatch comes with 100 sports modes, allowing users to track their activity levels and achieve their fitness goals. Voice Assistant built-in. The smartwatch has a voice assistant built-in, allowing users to control the device hands-free and access important information quickly. Powered by advanced technology, equipped with the industry-leading Realtek 5th chip RTL8763EWE VP, COLMI C81 can reduce power consumption by 22% and increase performance by 25%. Additionally, the C81 incorporates the latest blood oxygen sensor technology, utilizing red light for more accurate measurements. This ensures a smooth, efficient, and reliable smartwatch experience unlike any other. Ultra AMOLED display. Experience the world's first 2.0-inch for 10 by 502 resolution AMOLED screen on a smartwatch, with a screen contrast of 10,000 and truly restore various colors. C81's display is not only bigger but also clearer, ensuring that every detail is crisp and easy to read. Also featuring an always-on display, AOD, you can quickly and easily check the time without waking the watch. Unparalleled customization. Personalize your COLMI C81 by choosing a watch face from the app's watch face market. And it supports more than 100 sports modes. Whether you're tracking your daily fitness routine or dressing to impress, this smartwatch has you covered. Long-lasting battery life. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, the COLMI C81 ensures that you'll never be caught off guard. Stay connected, track your fitness, and enjoy your favorite features without the hassle of constant recharging. Elevate your style, fitness, and daily life with the COLMI C81. Health features: 24/7 heart rate monitor, blood oxygen sensor, sleep tracker, breathe, drink water reminder, reminder to move, women's physiological cycle, support health app. Life features: Bluetooth answer call, Bluetooth dial call, messages reminder, alarm clock, timer, weather, music remote, camera remote, find phone, calculator, dynamic watch face market, 100 plus watch faces, custom watch faces. You can set the picture you like as the watch face, set the screen off time, do not disturb mode. Built-in for user interface. Sports features: all-day activity tracking, steps, calories, distance, IP68 waterproof, 106 exercise modes. Sports data report. Watch faces. App, watch face market. System default, 9. Always-on displays, 2. Customize watch faces, support. Language: English, Arabic, German, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Dutch, Italian, Czech, Polish, Thai, Slovak, Turkish, Japanese, Indonesian, Vietnamese, simplified Chinese. COLMI C81 specification. Main chipset, Realtek RTL8763EWE VP. Display size, large 2.0 foot. Ultra HD AMOLED display, supports always-on modes. Display resolution, for 10 by 502 pixels, 345 ppi, up to 1000 nit brightness. Battery capacity 250 mAh. Battery life. Battery saver modes, up to 20 days. Typical usage modes, up to 7 days. Waterproof level, IP68 Waterproof. APP, Fit Cloud Pro. Suitable for mobile phones with Android 5.0 or higher, or iOS 9.0 or higher.